Hello and welcome to my 11 plus maths problem solving sessions. The question I have today is, so this is the first question. On a grid, shade in one more square. So you have to shade only one square so that the completed shape has one line of symmetry. So this, if we take this as our line of symmetry, we need to have equal number of squares shaded to the left and to the right of it. So here there are 1, 2, 3 squares to the left. To the right of it there are 2. So I need to shade one more square. So I've shaded this square. Okay, so this is going to be, so then around this line you have a symmetry. So we have the completed shape will have one line of symmetry. So that answers this question. The next one I have is, on the grid below, shade in three small squares so that the completed shape has a rotational symmetry of order 2. So rotational symmetry means that when you rotate it around a point, so here let's say we have a point here and we are turning it around, then we should get the same shape. Okay, um, so how will we do it? Again, if we have to move it around this point, we need to see the number of shaded squares to the left and right of it. So if I shade this square, then I have, if I take like this, then to the left I have 2, left 2, to the right 1. This one also has to be shaded, this square. And then we see that this one square, and so there should be another shaded square here. So if we have another shaded square here, so then if we go along this line, we sort of have an equal number. So not along this line. So if we go about on this, we have an equal number of shaded squares to the left and right. Okay, so then this shape, now if I try and turn it, this shape looks something like an eye. So it's like this. This is the shape. Now if I try and, this is 1, the order of symmetry. The next order of symmetry, if I give it, turn it by 90 degree, it will be something like this. Okay, and then again, if I give it another 90 degrees turn, it will become something like this. So, sorry, I made it a bit smaller. I shouldn't do that. It would be confusing. So if I give it another 90 degree turn it again, then we see that I will get this shape back. So this is going to be my number 2. So this indeed has rotational symmetry of order 2. So this answers my question. I hope it's clear to you. The next one, I have to rub it out because I need this bit of space to work out the next one. So the next one says, use another colored pen so it's easy to understand. So it says a square and an equilateral triangle are shown in the diagram. So we have a square and equilateral triangle, and we have to work out the size of the angle x. Okay, so a couple of things here. If it's an equilateral triangle, all the angles of an equilateral triangle, so equilateral triangle, all angles are 60 degrees. So square angle equals 90 degrees. We know that for a fact. So then it's easy. Then these angle, this is 60, this is 90. Here's another thing. So this is 90. Now this angle, this angle we have to find out. So this angle will be 180. If you look to where my pen is moving towards green, this will be 180 minus 80, because this is a straight line, so the angle is 180 degree. So this little angle, this one is going to be 180 minus 80 is 100 degree. So if I bring the whole thing out now to show, so the shape is something of this sort, a triangle, and then something like this. So this is 90, this is 100 degree, this is 60 degree, this is x, and this I've already said is 90. So now we know this is a quadrilateral, that the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral equals 360 degrees. So if that's the case, then we have to add this up and we get an equation. 60 plus 100 plus 90 plus x is 360 degree. So we just have to solve for x. So if we solve for x, we get x equals 360 minus 90. 60 plus 90 is 150. 150 plus 100 is 250. So 360 minus 250 is 110. So x equals 110. So that answers the question. 110 degree, yeah. So am I right? 360 minus 250 is 110 degree. So that answers the question. Have a look. Any questions, leave a comment and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for your time.